Tired of searching for Walmart locations manually? We tested the best IO tools that find stores near you in seconds, with real-time inventory, hours, and directions. Here's which one creators and freelancers should use. Whether you're managing a small business, coordinating client meetings, or just need fast answers, iLocation Finders save hours of manual searching. These tools integrate maps, real-time data, and store information into one simple interface. Perfect for creators shooting content on location, or freelancers coordinating with clients. Let's explore the top 3A solutions. Google Maps with AI integration gives you instant store locations, wires and directions with 99% accuracy. ChatGPT Plus offers conversational search, ask Walmart near me with groceries and get detailed answers. On the data of the course using Perplexity AI compiles real-time inventory and pricing across stores. Each has strengths: Google for reliability, ChatGPT for conversation, Perplexity for comparison shopping. Open your preferred AI tool. Type Walmart locations near your location with what you need. Add filters, open now, closest distance, or specific departments. AI processes real-time data instantly. Screenshot results or share directly with team members. Takes under 30 seconds versus 5-10 minutes traditional searching. Perfect for on-the-go creators and business owners. Use these IA tools to create location guides for YouTube. Create location guides for YouTube content. Build tutorials around IA store finders to rank for high-intent searches. Create comparison videos showing which tool is fastest. This positions you as a tech expert and attracts business-focused viewers. Affiliate partnerships with these platforms offer genuine revenue opportunities. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more iTool breakdowns and comment which location finder you're trying first.